Forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days. A bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. No hair wrap. Self-cleaning Brushroll removes pet hair and long hair as it cleans, no more hair wrap. Faster mapping. Faster mapping speed for a quicker total home map compared to the previous model, AV1002AE. Better carpet cleaning. Improved carpet cleaning performance compared to the previous model, AV1001AE. Phone or voice command. Schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the SharkClean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Powerful suction. Deep cleaning power to take on large debris, small debris, and pet hair on carpets and floors. Row by row cleaning. Methodically cleans row by row and then navigates room to room for complete home coverage. Total home mapping plus room select. Maps your home and lets you choose which rooms to clean immediately. Perfect for homes with pets. Designed for homes with pets, this automatic vacuum features a self-empty base, a multi-surface brush roll, and a multi-stage filtration system to capture dust, dander, and pet allergens. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic robotic vacuum. I have a health condition that prevents me from vacuuming as often as I should to keep up with 3 shedding dogs. Years ago, I purchased a robotic vacuum but it couldn't keep up with the fur balls and dust bunnies that were taking over the house. Plus, emptying the dustbin and entangling the roller were tedious and time-consuming. Well, my life has been changed by my Shark IQ robot vacuum with its self-emptying bin. It really has impacted our household favorably and lifts my spirits whenever I see him doing his job. I have named it Pierre, and he quietly moves through the house doing a wonderful job. My sister-in-law purchased a unit after seeing Pierre in action. This is a fantastic robot vacuum. Pierre, I love you.